everybody, getting ready to do 10.3 part 2 pre-algebra math classwork lesson. And for today's classwork, we got 20 points here. Go on your classwork sheet. Students, make sure you put your name, date, period, due date here for onliners, homeschoolers. And you have 0 points here that go on your notebook, so there's no notes. It's all classwork. And we go right into our next example here on 10.3 areas. Example 3, finding an unknown length. The height of a trapezoid is 6 meters. One of its bases is 8 meters. The area of the trapezoid is 54 square meters. Find the other base. So we have this, and then we have this. So we got, what do we do? Here's our formula here for finding the area of a trapezoid. Area is 1/2 of base 1 plus base 2 times height. So we have 54, which is the area, and we have one length here. The base is 8 meters, and we don't know base 2. We have our height here is 6, so we substitute these known quantities into this formula here. So we have 54 equals 3 times the quantity 8 plus b2, because 6 times 1/2 is 3. So we multiply that out, and then we have 54 equals 24 plus 3b2, so 3 times base 2, distributive property here, distributed our 3 here through the parentheses. Okay, so we're getting a little bit closer. So now we have 30 equals 3b2, meaning subtract 24 from each side of that equation. And now 10, by dividing both sides by 3, we get 10 equals base 2. So we found out that our base 2 is 10 meters. Isn't that cool? Okay, so let's go into our guided practice. Find the unknown measure of the trapezoid. So we have area here, 192.5 square centimeters for this trapezoid. We don't know our height. We have b1, b2, but we don't know h. So we need to find h, and then down here, finding an unknown measure down here. Students, this one is on you. Let you do that. So this 2 points up here, this 4 points down here. So let's go ahead and do our guided practice here. So our area, again, of a trapezoid is 1/2 the quantity b1 plus b2 times h. And then we plug in our values here. 192.5 equals 1/2. And we have 12.5, but we don't know. Do we know? Yes, we do know. We have 26 here as our other base, but we don't know h. So we're trying to find h. So we combine these two, we get 38.5 times h, 1/2 of that. And then we multiply through here. 1/2 of 38.5 is 19.25 equals h. And then we divide through here. 19.25 on both sides. And we get h equals 10. So the height here, h here, equals 10. Let's go to another example here. Using area of trapezoids, a desk. You are building an L-shaped desk for your room. Here's a diagram of it. The dimensions of the desktop are shown. So you got 3 feet here, this 3 feet over here as well. This has a length here of 9. And guess what these are? Both of these are trapezoids, aren't they? This space is 8, this space is 5, this space is 4, this space is 9. The heights here, this is 3-foot height. Do we know the height? Oh, yeah, we do. We have the height here. This is 3 feet as well, even though in this shot here is kind of distorted. So we need to find the area. So we have divided desktop into 2 trapezoids, A and B, as shown, to find the sum of the areas of trapezoids A and B. Okay, so the area of trapezoid A is 1/2 b1 plus b2 times h. So here's our formula. The area of a trapezoid. So knowing that, we're going to go for A here. 1/2 of 5 plus 8 times 3. And this comes out to 39/2. 5 plus 8, 13 times 3 is 39, and then multiply by 1/2. 39 over 2, which is 19 and 1/2. So we found our area of A. So the area of trapezoid B is 1/2 B1 plus B2 times H. So to find that area, again, we plug in our values here, 4 and 9 times 3, multiplied all by 1/2. We get 39 over 2, which is again 19 and 1/2. So they're both the same. So we add the areas, and we get 19 1/2 plus 19 1/2 is 39. So it's 39 square feet would be the total area of that L-shaped desk. Okay, let's go into our guided practice. One base of a trapezoid is 9 feet, and the height is 4 feet. The area of the trapezoid is 28 square feet. Find the other base. So we need to find the other base, and then down here, find the unknown base or height. So we have area is 12 square feet. Base 1 is 2 feet. Base 2 we don't know, and then H is 3, students. So you'll do that one. Let's do this one first. So we have our knowns up here. So our knowns here, area again is 1/2 B1 plus B2 times H. We have 28 here is our total square feet. And then 1/2, we have 9. And our height is 4. We need to find B2. Excuse me. So we multiply 4 times 1/2 is 2. 28 equals 2 times 9 plus B2. And then 28 equals 18 plus 2B2. We move our 18 over here to the other side, and we get 10 equals 2 times B2. Divide through by 2, and we get 5 equals B2. So the other base would be 5 feet up here. So follow that strategy down here, students, and you should get it. And that is 10.3 Part 2 Pre-Algebra Math Classwork Lesson. Animated PowerPoint math video at AOL.com for questions or materials. Okay, thank you very much.